Hey guys, welcome back to the Rockford YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to take this old, crappy, dim, always breaking a bulb drop light, and we're going to make it better using one of these LED deformable lights. And in the interest of full disclosure, I am 100% stealing this from a Scotty Kilmer video. We have talked about these deformable lights a lot on my channel. We always have promo codes for these things. Regular price, they're like $45. We see promo codes all the time that bring them into the $20 range, so why pay full price when you don't have to? I'll put a link down below to the latest deformable LED light deals. But let's get into converting this thing into a more useful, brighter, better working work light. So I really hate these style of lights. It's not very bright, and how many times have you dropped it, the cage hits the bulb, knocks it out, you put a new bulb in, 10 seconds later you drop it again, the hook falls off of something, broken. We just gotta get rid of the whole concept. It sucks. Now mine's got this goofy plastic split on the top, so we're just gonna throw a hose clamp over the top of it just so it holds it together. Alright, now let's thread on our deformable light. And now you see we have our deformable light working. These panels are adjustable. So we can have it sitting like that. You can aim one up, working underneath the car. Have it sitting like that. We need to be able to hang it. Now I want to use the old cage, steal the hook off of it so we can attach it to our new light. Alright, we got our hook off the cage. Since we're already playing with hose clamps, let's keep the party rolling. We're just going to attach it. We're just going to attach that hook right about there. Let's see, is the transmission still leaking? Like a pig. Is this transmission still leaking? Well, at least we're 2 for 2. Need a light while working in the trunk? No problem. We even have a hook. There it is, guys. Get rid of the damn cage with broken light bulbs and hot burning your flesh. Upgrade to a brighter, cooler, more efficient LED deformable light. As I said, links will be down below to the latest deals for deformable lights. Go to a garage sale, go to an auction, get yourself a cheap ass drop light, and make the conversion today. Thanks for watching, guys. Give the video a like. Subscribe for a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.